Hi guys, it's Fisher Stevens here, and we are the Beautiful Noise Show, and we're off to Scotland for the weekend. Starting at Birmingham Airport, there's no better way to get up to Scotland than on a plane. Should we have some water, or should we just hit the bar? Yes! That's final call. Get on the plane. There is no better way to travel to Scotland. Up and down, before you know it, you're at Glasgow Airport. This is a man cave, isn't it? This is the best man cave I've ever seen. Hold on, Stuart. The next day we're off to the concert hall to get ready and to meet the gang who's travelled up. And oh, Jerry and Sarah's here. Hi guys. It's so wonderful to see my equipment arrived and my costumes and everything's laid out. Yes, I'm so excited. I might just even do a little dance. Okay, enough of that. Let's stop there. Let's check out upstairs, see what the guys are doing, get this sound check underway. Tonight is going to be fabulous in this wonderful hall. First visit for us, and I'm pleased to say that it's pretty full tonight. Pretty full. And yeah, everybody's here. Sound check's going great. Beautiful sound. Okay, time to get ready. Don't forget the Nuka honey, secret ingredient. And Sarah and Kylie, look at them, look amazing in their dresses. What about these glasses? No. Aftershave? Yeah, okay. Just in the right places, please. Okay, guys, let's go up stage and let's start this show tonight for these wonderful people of Motherwell surrounding you. The show's underway. What a show. What an audience.
Good evening, Motherwell! Yes! Got 'em my once. Hey, but tonight, by the fire, all alone, you and I.
Oh yes, it was a beautiful noise in Motherwell. See you again next year, October the 27th, 2023. But for the time being, we're off to Dunfermline. Okay, follow us for more.
Sweet summertime.